Now, this question
Mhm.
is coming in from Henry in Madison Heights. And Henry asks, what is best for my small real estate investing business? Should I put my rental house in some sort of a company, or should I just purchase home insurance for each home? And
Oh,
that's
this
what
comes
that's
up.
what Henry asks.
Yeah. We get this question at least once every quarter, I think. I mean, it's
Mhm.
very popular. A couple months ago, I had that same question that
Mm.
somebody reached out to us on, and I decided to write like a couple paragraphs on it. I don't know what happened to that paragraph, but or several paragraph explanation, but I'm going to be sure to find it because I can post it. It's my
Yes,
feelings about the whole situation. Okay, so insurance is really important for real estate investors to have on their properties.
agreed.
You would agree. You're a real estate investor, a seasoned, very active real estate investor.
Well, thank you.
So you should always have insurance on your home or homes. Okay. And that's because, of course, if there's a problem, like there's property damage, or God forbid, there's some type of injury with a tenant or a visitor to the property, that the insurance hopefully will take care of that and pay on a claim. Okay. And a lot of times they do. But you can't rely on insurance always, because insurance companies, and you've heard me say this before, Blair, insurance companies are great at accepting premium. They love, love, love selling policies and collecting premium. That's what they do. That's their whole business. And then they have to, a portion of, whatever they collect, they have to pay claims on. Now, insurance companies, if you've ever noticed, if you ever go to any of the large cities in this country, usually insurance companies are the holders and really the owners of the largest buildings in almost every city in the country.
Mm-hmm.
It's an asset for them. They invest their premium in real estate. Quite a few do. And they employ thousands upon thousands of people in their claims department. Yes, most of them want to help and are in good faith, want to help their policyholders, but at the same time, they want to make sure that they're only doling out the claim money to those people with valid claims. They also are a little bit slower at the process when it comes to delving out that money, and they
Mm-hmm.
hire attorneys and claims adjusters and claims representatives to make sure that the money that they give out is usually not as generous as what a policyholder would anticipate. Thus, the need for what we call public adjusters. Okay, those are people who will negotiate on behalf of a policyholder to get more money out of their insurance company to negotiate their claim. Also, if they don't have a insurance adjuster, a public adjuster, they will hire attorneys, and there are attorneys who will go after insurance companies to make sure that the claims are paid justly. What's just is obviously in the eye of the beholder. But when there's a dispute, insurance companies don't pay so quickly. Sometimes they don't pay at all. And that's a problem. So why is it that you, as a business owner, being a real estate investor, should have your entity incorporated into either a limited liability company or a C corporation, which is another name for an Inc., INC, is you want to make sure that you also have legal protection, okay, that separates your personal assets from your business assets. Because if the insurance company doesn't pay on a claim, the injured party or the damaged party can turn to you and say, I didn't get my insurance money.
Yep.
I'm now going to sue you. And so you need to have a corporation that protects you. You need to form a limited liability company or a C corp. Partnerships do not have that protection. You must have a corporation that's filed properly in the state in which you want to do business in. And then you also want to make sure that you comply with those corporate entity formation and maintenance laws. Okay.
Mhm.
So it's best to have an LLC. In my book, that's what I like. I own, it's not a secret. We've talked about it before. This is where the practical, experience comes in. I own property and real estate, and they are in not my personal name. They're in corporate names, corporate entities. But guess what? I also have. I have insurance on the home in the name of the entity.
Right.
Okay, just in case.
Mhm.
So it's not, to me, it's not an exclusive option in the sense that one item will do better for you than the other. It's best to have both the corporation and the insurance. That is my answer. I'm going to stick to that. And anybody who goes without insurance, I got to tell you, Blair, every day I talk to somebody and there'll be some wonky thing. And the first thing I say to them is, hey, you make sure you have insurance on that property, right? So first thing I say, go get insurance. If you don't have insurance, go get it. Okay. But doesn't mean the company is going to pay.
Right.
That's it.
Right. Okay. Good answer.